Chloe.
I'm Brooks.
I'm Isla.
I'm Declan.
I'm Abby.
I'm Lucas.
I'm Taryn.
I'm Bennett.
I'm Kara.
I'm Charlie. I'm Story.
I'm Finn.
I'm Capri.
I'm Marco.
I'm Rory.
I'm Magnolia, and this is MagTV.
Hi there, and welcome to our second edition of MagTV. I'm Jake.
And I'm Taryn. We have some great features for you in this edition, including the Copa de Carlsbad tournament and, of course, the BMX assembly.
And I'm Kai. We also have all the segments you love, but first with a look back at some of the other things that happened on campus this month. Here's Chloe.
Thanks, guys. November was a great month around Magnolia, as we celebrated both Veterans Day and Thanksgiving break. Before that, we also had Red Ribbon Week and the pumpkin patch on campus. We also had boograms and a fundraiser at Knockout Pizza. And one more thing that's been going around Magnolia in an effort to return everyone's lost items. The Team Mag class wants to remind you to put your name on everything you bring to school, like water bottles and sweaters, as they take on Operation Find My Way Home to return as many as lost items as they can. Let's have a great December. For MagTV, I'm Chloe. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Chloe.
Now to look at the high-flying BMX assembly.
It's the assembly that always grabs our attention for more reasons than one. Brooks takes us there.
Thanks, guys. Many say it's the best assembly of the year. The BMX assembly's back at Magnolia. We saw high-flying bike performances by Lenny and Dustin, and a lesson on making good choices.
Anything you want is totally achievable. You just have to work hard, put that passion into it, and never give up on those goals and dreams.
The BMX show was set up on the backfield, and we saw tons of tricks and high-flying action. What amazed you? The backflip part. Did you get any good lessons out of it?
Yeah, I heard you always should wear your helmet and you always check your tires before you ride your bikes.
I learned to check your handlebars and your seat.
To tighten your chain.
What was your favorite part about the assembly? The backflip. Plus, the best part, when Lenny flew right over Mr. Nelson's head.
You never know, how loud the crowd's gonna get, and every time they get louder, it gives you that sense of just accomplishment, that feeling that everybody's behind you, and there's nothing better than in full support of a huge group of people.
The good news, once again, no principals were harmed in the making of this assembly. For MagTV, I'm Brooks. Back to you.
Thanks, Brooks. So much fun.
As you know, the World Cup is happening right now.
But did you know we had a soccer tournament of our own? Here's Amani with a look at Copa de Carlsbad.
Hi, guys. The Copa de Carlsbad tournament is back. Fifth graders from across Carlsbad compete in a one-day tournament at Riviera Field with a boys and girls tournament.
My favorite part was probably working with people that I already knew, but getting to know them a lot better through soccer.
I think it was fun to experience because all of us are like friends and stuff.
My favorite part was in the beginning because I thought we did really well.
I feel good representing Magnolia because we have a lot of good players on the boys and girls team, and it reflects off our school, and our school is a really good school. So how did we do? Both teams made it to the championship games. The girls got second place and the boys won their championship game. What is it like to put our Magnolia team up against all the other Carlsbad schools?
I think it's a lot of fun to be able to play some of the other schools in the district, to go up against some of your friends you've played with in club, and just to see how you stack up, and just a lot of fun to play and represent your team in a district-wide tournament. So a lot of fun.
Once again, both the boys and girls teams played hard, and Magnolia Lions were well represented against all the other Carlsbad schools. 1, 2, 3. For MagTV, I'm Monty. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Amani. We're so proud of our teams.
Time now for a teacher feature.
Isla's with Miss Rivera.
Miss Rivera, how long have you been?
11 years.
Do you have a family?
I do. I have one son, Noah, who goes here in 3rd grade, and then I have Emma, who is 4 years old, and my husband and my dog.
What grade do you teach?
This year I'm teaching 2nd grade.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Texas, and then I moved to the Bay Area up in Northern California, and then I moved here, and I loved it here, so this is where I stayed.
Would you like to play a game of this or that?
Of course.
Coffee or tea?
Oh, coffee for sure.
Cats or dogs?
Ooh, dogs.
Pancakes or
Waffles, I think.
summer?
Summer for sure.
Comedies or horror?
Oh, comedies. No horror.
Thank you.
Thanks, Isla. We want to remind you of what's coming up next month.
Winter break starts December 17th, and we're not back into school until Tuesday, January 3rd.
We just got back from another break for Thanksgiving, so we asked everyone on campus what they're thankful for in this edition of the Lion's Share.
Hi, Isla. What are you thankful for in March?
I'm thankful for my family and all my friends that I have here at Magnolia.
Cool.
I am really thankful for my family. I've got 2 kids, and I am just super grateful for them.
I'm thankful for my family and friends because they give me so much courage to try my best every day.
I'm most thankful for my family because they're very nice. I'm thankful for my dog. I'm thankful for God because He made the world. I am thankful for my friends and family because they are really nice and they take care of me. I'm thankful for my family and friends because I love them very much. I'm also thankful for my dog and my school. I'm thankful for my mom.
I'm thankful for being smart and my family and school and having fun.
We're all thankful for our parents.
But not necessarily for their bad jokes.
Here's Kayla's dad, Paul, with our dad jokes of the month.
Okay, why do fathers take an extra pair of socks when they go golfing? Just in case they get a hole in one. Right. What do you call a fish that wears a bow tie? Sophisticated. Dear Math, grow up and solve your own problems. What did the janitor say when he jumped out of the closet? Supplies! What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing. It just waved. I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. I don't trust stairs. They're always up to something. What time did the man go to the dentist? 2:30. All right. How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie into it. That's all I got, guys. Thank you.
Don't forget, if you have a dad or mom with bad jokes, or if you have any sort of story idea to share with us, email us at magtvcarlsbad@gmail.com or tell one of the members of the MagTV team.
Finally, it's time to take you to the principal's office.
Here's Mr. Nelson and his words of wisdom.
Hey guys, it's Mr. Nelson. You're with me here in my office, and today is actually the Friday before Thanksgiving break, and I just wanted to take a second to talk to you guys a little bit about the Thanksgiving holiday. I know a lot of us are already in the mindset of moving towards, Christmas or Hanukkah or other holidays like that, but I really love Thanksgiving, and not because I'm the biggest fan of turkey, but because I think it's really, really important time for us to stop, think about what we have, and to be grateful. It's really, really easy in our society to see things that other people have, to think about what we want, what we don't have, what life would be like if we had what our neighbors or friends had. we're always focusing on what we don't have. And I think Thanksgiving is a really important time for us to take a step back to look at how much we have to be thankful for. We have an amazing community that we live in Carlsbad, by the beach with beautiful weather. We have family, we have friends, we have an amazing school. We have so much to be thankful for. So I encourage you guys, as you go into the Thanksgiving holiday and into the holiday season in general, that you make space to be grateful, that you take the time to think about what you do have. Because I promise you, if you do that, you're going to find you have way more than you need. That's it for today. As always, go Lions!
Thanks, Mr. Nelson, and that does it for this edition. I'm Kai.
And I'm Jake.
And I'm Taryn. We'll see you in a couple of weeks for our next edition of MagTV.
And go Lions!
Hi there, and welcome to our
Thanks, guys.
What is your favorite part of being
Interviewed right now.
Hello.
Hello, mic check.
Here's Kara's dad, Paul, with the
No principals were harmed in making of this.
Mila.
I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Abby.
I'm Lucas.
I'm Taryn. Oh, wait.
Abby forgot her name, guys.
Want to remind you of what's coming up next month.
Oh, sorry.
Wait.
Thanks, Mr. Nelson, and that does it for this edition. I'm Kai.
Hang on.
Jake.
Cool.
And go Lions!
Bye.